India or Turkey, which country is better for hair transplant? A very common question patient ask me these days. In this video, I'll try to explain you why India can be a better choice for hair transplant procedure over Turkey, what you should actually look for before opting for hair transplant procedure. Turkey and India both are global hubs for hair transplant procedure. Over the last decade, Turkey, especially Istanbul, has become a very popular destination for hair transplant because of the aggressive marketing and the medical tourism. But I feel popularity alone does not mean better and safer outcomes. To understand the real difference, we should know how hair transplant are actually performed rather than where are they being performed. So one of the major reasons why Turkey appeared cheaper was technicians, not doctors. In most of the clinics, procedures were being led by technicians. This led to development of factory-style clinics where multiple transplants are performed in one day, which led to reductions in the cost, also reducing the medical supervision. But recently, if you look into the news, Turkish government has tightened the regulations. Why? Because of the increasing rate of complications and the poorer outcomes. That's why many technician-based clinics are shutting down. But why India is different? In India, procedures are doctor-led. Only qualified doctors like dermatologists or plastic surgeons will be responsible for your entire procedures, from hairline designing to harvesting and to the implantation plan. Because in India, the medical regulations are as strict as another countries like United States, UK and Dubai. That means higher safety, ethical practice and consistency in the results. At the same time, India is able to offer you lower cost because of low cost of living, staff salaries and infrastructure expenses are lesser. Many people assume that Turkey is cheaper, but when you compare doctor to doctor clinic, the cost is actually similar. So a good surgeon in New Delhi and a good surgeon in Istanbul will roughly charge the same price. So difference only appears when you compare a doctor-led clinic in India versus a technician-led clinic in Turkey. But I don't think that's a fair comparison. So what you should actually check when you are opting for a hair transplantation, whether the transplant is being performed by a doctor or technician, what are the credentials or the expertise of your surgeon, safety protocols and the hygiene standards. Also, check before and after results of real patients, and is clinic offering you long-term follow-up and aftercare. So to conclude, hair transplant is not a product, it's a medical service. So success of the procedure depends on the skill of the surgeon, safety protocol and ethics. So India is chosen not because it's cheaper, it offers you world-class surgeon-led hair transplant procedure at a fair cost. So make an informed decision. Choose the surgeon, not the shortcut.
To know more, visit our website zivaclinic.com.